This is a Lamborghini R8. Oh my God, this thing is enormous. Everything about it is just vast. It weighs 10 tons. I have 40 forwards gears and 40 reverse gears. I mean, I know that little Massey Ferguson was very sweet, but come on! Okay, and here we are at the farm. Oh, hello. Wait. Oh, shit.
That's too big.
It isn't. It isn't. The shed's too...
Enormous.
Little. If he says my tractor is too big, I'm going to kill him.
Tractor's too bloody big.
It's quite large.
It's quite big.
I mean, everyone keeps saying it's... Everyone says it's too big.
You should have got a smaller tractor.
Ha ha! Too big, my arse.
It's got the wrong hitch on.
What?
That's a European hitch.
What's the message? I got it from Germany.
You may well have done.
So I can't attach anything to the back of this?
Not at the moment.
Not going, why am I not moving? Come on. I've got no drive. Right, what have I forgotten?
Let's have a look. What's going on? All in fucking German. Got no book with that, have we?
It's all right, Google Translate. Page not found. Right, reservoirs. This is now Italian. No, wait. Good news, this is in French.
Never been to France. Fucking buy a tractor in the UK, not in Germany. You'll be all right.
Despite much ferreting, we couldn't find the source of the problem.
Fuck! What are you doing?
Well,
There's not a chance in hell you can have that on that. No.
why not?
Look at the width of it.
What?
Look at the width.
So the tyres are going to crush.
Yeah, you're newly...
Yeah, we'll lose too much earth.
So you'll plant one strip, you'll turn around, come back down,
Yeah, it makes
and then your tyres are going to be flattening the bits that you've just planted. You want that little Fergie in the shed on it?
So the little red tractor would work?
Yeah,
Would
little
it?
red tractor.
My Massey?
Do you want to go and get
Might
your
have to get
Massey?
you sat on the front or me sat on the front for extra weight.
Oh, I'm planting in the
Yeah,
back.
you're
I'm not
planting.
driving.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm driving.
Are you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you? Have you decided already?
I have. I'm tractor driver. That's
Well,
what's
let's
on
have
my...
a vote. I'll drive.
I'll drive.
But I'm famous for driving.
Yeah.
I love being in my Lambo. It's like a hay fever capsule. No pollen allowed. Caleb, however, said the job would in fact be difficult, as my tractor wouldn't be able to reach the big stream. Yes, look at this.
Jeremy, whoa, whoa!
Oh no, I think I've done it rather brilliantly.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh yes.
Whoa! Come on. Come on. Oh, no.
So Caleb decided to undo the tow rope and save himself,
I'll see you later!
which went well.
Come on, come on, come on. Fucking rain. Oh.
Right, this is a complete cock job. Everything is stuck. The next morning, we reconvened at my stranded tractor with a rescue plan. Caleb would pull me out with his tractor, while he was being pulled by his brother in his tractor.
Right, just take the slack up gently. Really slowly, that's it. Keep that tight, okay?
Yeah, I've never driven anything before, so keep the advice coming. Oh shit, I'm not in four-wheel drive. He's going to kill me.
Come on, the power of the class, come on.
This is just, remember, we're doing this for the sake of the environment.
Oh, the power.
Oh yes. We only took 1,000 gallons to do that, but we're moving now.
We are away. Right hand down a lot.
Caleb, I
away.
can't see it.
Look behind you then. Go forward. Whoa, whoa. Now come back. Other way.
Other way?
You're going to take the fence out.
Well, what do I do now?
Forward.
Again?
So you got to get over that way. Wait.
What?
You got to get the whole
I
stuff.
can't see you. You've got to tell me right or left hand down.
I'm getting confused.
Oh, that's all we now need to discover. He does not know his right from his left.
We're going to be here a while. Go forward more.
What?
So you got to get over that way.
What? Hang on.
Come back.
Other way?
No.
Even though my tractor was extremely nimble and just the right size, the cross-country route to the water tank was extremely hazardous.
Come on, you're all right. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're all right.
Dear God. I've never been through this gate without having to do a three-point turn. Come on.
Go on, you're all right.
This meant that when we needed to change the pipe reel, I was too tired to get out of the cab.
It's all right. You just sit there.
I'm going to.
The end of this series, yeah,
Yeah.
it's going to be man watches farmer watching his farm worker.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it's going to be.
That's what it's called. Look at that now. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Perfect.
I like that tractor.
I like that tractor. I shouldn't have been mean about it to start with.
No.
I was probably just jealous.